Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. I'm back with another new product from our Logitech G lineup, and I think it's an excellent addition to the family. This is the Logitech G309 LIGHTSPEED Wireless Gaming Mouse, a lightweight gaming mouse with our LIGHTFORCE hybrid switches, incredible battery life, and dual connectivity. So let's get into it. When we open the box, the first thing we see is this pull tab. We'll pull that, and this entire packaging slides out. And there's a lot here for such a small package. First, we see the LIGHTSPEED dongle. Let's set that aside. And underneath, we have some documentation, which we'll also set aside, and some grip tape that can be used to customize the grip and feel of your mouse. Here we have the mouse, which we'll come back to, and under that, there's a handy quick start guide that covers features and setup information. Be sure to keep that around. Inside the storage area, we have a USB extension cable. For more information on how to connect your mouse via LIGHTSPEED, check out our LIGHTSPEED connection video, which explains how to use the USB extension. And here we have a AA battery, which will power the mouse. Speaking of the mouse, let's open it up and have a look. Inside this sustainable cloth packaging, we see the mouse itself. It's a great size and it's unbelievably light at 68 grams without the battery. The main switches are our LIGHTFORCE hybrid optomechanical switches. We have a nice scroll wheel. Under that, we have the DPI button, and then the LED indicator, which we'll come back to. Beneath that, we have a pop-off cover, which is where the battery can be installed, and it also allows you to store the dongle when you're on the go. Let's go ahead and put that battery in. Make sure you align positive to positive. On the other side, we have some configurable buttons, and on the bottom, we have a power switch, the Hero 25K sensor, a connection button, and then we have a puck that can be switched out for a power play puck, allowing you to use the mouse without a battery. Also, a little peel here. Nice. While we're here, let's have a look at this connection button. This mouse can connect via LIGHTSPEED or Bluetooth. To connect via Bluetooth, power on the mouse and single press the connection button. When powering on for the first time, the mouse will automatically enter pairing mode. On your laptop or tablet, open your Bluetooth settings and select G309, and that's it. If you want to connect it to a different device, make sure you're on Bluetooth and long press the button until the LED begins blinking rapidly, and you can connect it to another device. It's worth mentioning that when gaming, you'll want to use LIGHTSPEED when possible, as Bluetooth will have more of a delay than LIGHTSPEED, as LIGHTSPEED is incredibly fast. Last thing I wanted to cover was the indicator LED, as it can display a lot of information. When powered on, if it displays green, that means your battery is between 100% and 5% capacity. When it's red, it's below 5% and you should change the battery as soon as possible. You probably won't need to do that very often, as the mouse is rated for at least 300 hours of constant motion in LIGHTSPEED and 600 in Bluetooth. The LED will also indicate your current DPI. White for 400 DPI, orange for 800, teal for 1200, yellow for 1600, and magenta for 2400. I hope that answers any questions you have about what this product is, what it's capable of, and what comes in the box. Be sure to check out our Introduction to G-Hub video to make sure you get the most out of your mouse. And if you have any further questions or concerns, be sure to check out our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.